Hello everyone. So this is of course an urgent video about the gold signal, which obviously now is failing. As we can see, sadly the gold is going against our direction by 200 pips. Even the silver, by the way guys, has failed as well. So again, we are here doing of course the best we can. Thankfully I have a high winning ratio in my analysis, but that doesn't mean that I have 100% winning ratio. Having high winning ratio meaning I also have some chances of failing. However, I also have sent an update like 2 hours ago on my Telegram informing my followers to close now the gold signal in 60 pips of loss because the momentum seems to be very strong bullish one. So that's the reason, my friends. I'm telling you, please join our free group of my Telegram. This is for your benefits, to stay connected to Xtreme Trader, to receive such updates. And as you can see, unfortunately, only 1,100 people have seen this notification out of 15,000 views on the video, which really painful to me. I just really feel bad about that, but I really hope, guys, you can understand that gold nowadays is really difficult to be traded. So again, we are doing here the best we can to find the next direction and to share with you a winning signal. So again, this signal has failed, but again, this is just part of the game. This is part of the business. No one in the world can have a high winning, or actually 100% winning ratio. Anyway, we have to instantly delete this signal, and let's now see what we can do next with the gold. So as we have stated earlier, actually on the last analysis, the gold is indeed respecting this level of a supported trend line, and as we can see, the bounce happened right here. However, we did not really expect from the market to fall right now, or actually to rise. I mean, we did not expect from the market to rise due to the price action that we had on the weekly chart. However, now the weekly chart seems to be stronger right now. It actually so far breaking out from this level of a support at 2,604. Now, of course, this signal has a chance to fail. The reason is, of course, that we are actually playing at the critical levels. So the market actually has been ranged between 2,590 and 2,605. So this is, of course, a critical level because it's just in the middle between 2,500. So 2,600 was in the middle. So of course the gold will actually be ranging quite a lot at this level before we have a clear bullish breakout or a bearish one. So unfortunately we had here a bullish one and the gold just kept rising. So now what's going to happen next with the gold, and how far is going to continue the rise to? In my opinion, now the gold will continue the rise till it reaches the broken level of a real support at 2,643, which means the gold still has around 360 pips more to go before it's gonna make any further reversals. And I think actually I'm expecting from it to make even a continuation and continue the rise till it reach the resistance right here at 2,670, and after that we will hope for actually a bearish reversal, and by that it will complete a head and shoulders pattern, and then we can look for shorting the gold right from here. But in my opinion, and supporting by this level of a supported trend line, we actually have to look or to consider buying the gold. So now what can we do next with the gold? That's the big question. Now, of course, again, I have to remind everybody that this signal, my friends, is in the end just a signal. It's not a financial advice, and we cannot actually rely on it to make tons of money. We have to be careful always and consider that any signal that you are receiving here on YouTube might actually fail. So what now we can do next with the gold? So by a quick check here, we can see that we had here, of course, the Fibonacci retracement. Of course, we have to draw the Fibonacci right after the bullish breakout happened from this key level of a resistance at 2,470. So let's now check the Fibonacci retracement and check this out. So the market actually went below 61.8, and that's our sell level. However, the market right now is rising above 61.8, which means the market right now has formed here a fake breakout. So we are looking most likely here at a fake breakout, which means now we have to identify where is the real level of a resistance so we can place our buy orders. Because one of the perfect and trusted setups is always to find the real levels of a support, then find the fake breakout, and then wait for the market to fall again to reach exactly the same level of a real support. And from there you can safely, hopefully, of course, place your buy order. So let's now just check the 4-hour time frame. Here exactly, Fibonacci 61.8 shows here, of course, a real level of a support at exactly, let me just be sure, at 2,591. So that tells us that the market actually has a chance to make now a pullback to fall all the way right here to retest the broken level of a real support, and after that it will continue the rise. Of course, we have also to consider that if this happens, we will end up with inverted head and shoulders. So in my opinion, do not place your buy order instantly. Just wait to see a sign of the reversal, then place your order anywhere at this level here, just waiting for the market to make instantly or actually a clear bullish reversal exactly at this level of a support. So you want to see here a clear inverted head and shoulders before you place your buy order. So if that happens, we can actually continue buying the gold till it reach the nearest level of a key support exactly right here at 2,643, expecting around 516 pips of profit. And in this case, the safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than the real level of a support right here as well here at 2,500, and actually let's make it even at 67 just to be sure. We need to give the candles a space to breathe. So therefore, our safe zone will be ranging for 224 pips against 512 pips of profit. So before we close this video, I just want to show you another confirmation on this trade, which I have just found here. Let me just show you here. Of course, we have the resistance trend line, which we actually have been relying on since the beginning of this week. And as we can see, check this out. So here we have, of course, a resistance trend line, number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6. Then here it became a support trend line, number 1. This is support trend line number 1. Then a fake breakout. This is also one of the setups that we can really actually trust. If you find a real level of a supported trend line faced a fake breakout, then it's not going to be a bad idea to place your buy order exactly at the same level of a real supported trend line. So this time we are really hoping for this trade to work well, and hopefully it will give us profits. And again, my friends, this, as you can see, which I have sent you this Saturday, has failed. So again, this signal also has a chance to fail. So please be extra careful and wise about how you are trading it. Trade the minimum loss, the minimum lots, and make sure to join, of course, our free group of Telegram, also to stay connected to Xtreme Trader to receive any updates about this signal, such as this one right here. Please do not face the losses by yourself. We will help you to the maximum to reduce the losses, and hopefully we can also increase the profits when we send a good signal. I will tell you when to close it in partial profit. And of course, to join this group, here is the link, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also check the description to find the direct link to join instantly. So again, my friends, stay safe and stay blessed, hopefully. And until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.